So hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about SOUN stock and the key levels to watch for August 18, 2025. In the last trading session, SOUN stock dropped $5.74, 5.74%, closing at $15.59. The key support level is $13.61. If the price breaks $13.61, it could test $12.41. The key resistance level is $17.08. If the price breaks above $17.08, it could test $19.16. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.